Great, Kira, right? I'm Blaire, and I'll be your horse riding instructor for today. Are you ready to begin? I was born ready. This is Daisy. Awesome. Achoo! Bless you. Sorry, I'm allergic to flowers. Well, then why are you wearing one in your hair? I'm really allergic to anything you can put in your hair, so might as well. Interesting. Let's just move on to proper horse riding attire. Next time, instead of rain boots, you could wear boots. Well, do you want me to die? Of course not. Why would you think such a thing? I'm fatally allergic to boots. Boots? Well, have you tried hypoallergenic boots? That's not even a thing. Well, excuse me for trying to help. Let's just get to riding. Sounds like a plan to me. 5 minutes later. I'm doing it. I'm actually doing it. Achoo! Are you okay? I'm okay. I'm glad you're not hurt, but why don't you take that flower out of your hair so you stop sneezing? That's not what made me sneeze. Then what did? I'm allergic to horses. What? Why don't we all just take a deep breath? I can't do that. Well, why not? I'm allergic to air. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video. These videos take a lot of effort, so make sure to like and achoo! Like and achoo! And subscribe. See you next time. Achoo! Bless you.